Now, you're the founder and you say co-leader
Mhm.
of the Black Awakening movement. What inspired you to create this organization, and what is its core mission? And also, Rhonda, I want to know, is that, I know you had, it's a Facebook group in formation, but it's also outside of Facebook as well.
Yes, absolutely. We started in Miami, Florida, which is where I was living at the time that I woke up. And when I came into this awakening, I realized that, there's a lot of my people that have no idea what's going on. Like I didn't know what was going on. I thought I knew what racism was. I thought I knew what we were dealing with, but I didn't. And so that inspired me to create the Black Awakening movement, just in order to raise our consciousness. And so the mission of the organization has always been to awaken our people to the truth about racism and who we are as a people. And of course, there's other things that come with that. We have to know what steps we need to take. We need to build community. We need to work towards sovereignty in that process. But that's what started the organization. And since then, we held weekly open discussions every Thursday at 7 for the past 10 plus years. We
Wow.
recently celebrated our 10-year anniversary, and done that consistently, and also done annual community events where we're also interacting in person as well, because that's important, providing informational handouts and resources to the community, and just in whatever way we can to build that consciousness and build that community. And the reason I'm a co-leader is because all of our members of the organization are considered to be leaders, because
Mm.
that's the structure of the organization, is that there's not one person leading, but that we all are leaders in our own way.